The air is crowded with birds, beautiful, tender, intelligent birds, to whom life is a song. All birds need three essential things from their habitat to survive: food, water, and shelter. Birds eat fruit, seeds from various plants. They also eat insects or other small creatures that flourish in the eco-framework. In this manner, in summer and spring season, newly blossoming flowers, freshly blooming buds and growing insect population provide a lot of food to the birds. In winter there is colder climate, sometimes there's snow and frost. The trees have no leaves. Plants wither and the sunlight during the day is at its shortest. Food, water and sufficient shelter becomes difficult to track down. In case of water birds, complete drying up of water bodies in their home area makes their survival impossible. These birds rely upon ecological changes to let them know when is the ideal time to relocate and to find another home. It is a regular, seasonal movement frequently north and south along a flyway between breeding and wintering grounds. Birds cover hundreds and thousands of kilometers to track down the best environmental circumstances and territories for taking care of, rearing and raising their young. They also travel around nighttime. The moon and stars are utilized for navigation purposes by these birds. Migratory birds fly over numerous unknown places, yet consistently know their objective. Undoubtedly, bird migration is one of the marvels of the natural world. It is noteworthy that some of these birds make little excursions and small journeys to survive. However, some, unquestionably, make epic journeys crossing continents and oceans. Siberian cranes and greater flamingo are migratory birds that are generally found in India in the winter season. Asiatic sparrowhawk moves to India and Myanmar during winters. Swallow, which is a little bird, moves from southern England to southern Africa. Pelicans, storks, birds of prey, swifts, Swallows and finches are diurnal, that is daytime migrants. Water birds, cuckoos, flycatchers, thrushes, warbles and buntings are for the most part nocturnal, that is nighttime migrants. Migratory birds play several basic yet significant roles in the ecosystems they live in and travel through. They act as pest control agents by eating up bugs and insects that damage the environment and crops. They help in dispersal of seeds, leading to maintenance of biodiversity along their courses. Ducks often transport fish eggs in their guts to new water bodies. The droppings of birds, also called guano, are rich in nitrogen and act as organic fertilizers. Eggshells can add calcium minerals. Migratory birds show us how to adjust to changing conditions and environments and how to conquer difficulties through coordinated efforts. Migratory birds with their struggle to survive teach us several valuable lessons, including a lesson of tenacity, of toughness, and a lesson of survival of the fittest.